Hi folks, I'm Donna Russell with Remax Achievers, and I'm here today with Mike Wolski, and we're going to review humidifier systems, Mike, on heating systems. They could be a wonderful thing, but my goodness, if you don't keep up with them, they could be a disaster, right,
Correct,
Mike?
Correct. So what a humidifier does is, during the heating season, it adds a little bit of moisture to the ductwork and to the air. So if you have allergies, it's not going to dry you out. It's not going to dry out your sinuses. So if done properly and installed properly, it could be a very good thing in a house. The problem is, at least on my end from doing inspections long enough, is you find most people do not properly care for them. The key thing is, first of all, it's only used during the winter. So once the spring hits, it has to be turned off. So there typically has a thermostat on the side of the unit, or it's connected to your main home thermostat. So it should be known to be turned off right when the end of the winter. Second thing is replacing the filter inside.
Oh, we've seen some nasty ones.
Sometimes you open up and a powder of dust and mold shoots out at you because it hasn't been replaced in years. Also, at the end of each season, once it's shut off, take the filter out, replace it, and clean and wipe down the whole inside of the unit. It shouldn't be turned on again until the following fall.
That's real important because, again, if you want that moisture so you don't get dried out, my goodness, you don't want to be breathing all that mold. So, folks, if you have one of these, make sure you maintain it. Thank you.